Hey guys, this is Mindtrap here, just with a quick tutorial on how to make a blinking light. All I did was take apart an old lamp and I cut the wires off, just a regular plug that I'm going to be plugging in. But if you look here on one of the sides, it doesn't matter which one, I put a starter for fluorescent light. You have to use the FS2 and you have to use a low wattage bulb. This bulb is only 15 watts. So if I put the starter on one side, when I go to plug the light in, it will try to start up and randomly blink. So it gives a really cool effect, and it's very cheap instead of having to use some kind of fancy piece of equipment. One of the simplest things to do, and it will last. You could electrical tape that